U.S. President Donald Trump met with South Korean President Moon Jae-in at the UN Monday to sign a trade agreement. But North Korea was also high on the agenda. Trump praised recent peace talks between Moon and North Korean leader Kim Jong Un.
We also talk, obviously, about North Korea, where we're making tremendous progress. Chairman Kim has been really very open and terrific, frankly, and I think he wants to see something happen. So we have done, I think, mutually, we've done very well with respect to North Korea.
Earlier in the day, U.S. Secretary of State Mike Pompeo told reporters he planned to visit the North Korean capital, Pyongyang, again soon to prepare for the president's summit. But he struck a cautious tone in his remarks.
Lord willing, I'll be traveling before the end of the year.
Despite the North Korean leader's claims, Pyongyang is not believed to have actually taken any promised steps toward giving up its nuclear arsenal. Pompeo pushed back on Monday at reporters' questions that it would be, quote, ludicrous for Trump to have another summit with Kim before any details had been worked out.
Remember the history. We went at this the other way for decades, and North Korea continued to build its nuclear program, right? We tried to do details, we tried to do step for step, we tried to do trade for trade. Each of those failed. We're coming at this from a different direction.
Pompeo declined to provide details on the state of negotiations or speculate on what North Korea was prepared to do. But he said Trump and Kim are coming together so they can continue to make progress towards what the UN Security Council has demanded and what Kim has promised to accomplish, the complete, verified, irreversible denuclearization of North Korea. Cindy Sain, VOA News, Washington.